How to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram? Let's get started. First, launch Instagram app. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Now head over to the option Account Privacy. Disable for this option Private Account. Just with that, you have switched your account to the public. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option Account Type and Tools. Now click on the option Switch to Professional Account. Click on Next. Select what best describes you, then click on Switch to Professional Account. Now, you will need to select whether you want a creator or business account. Then, click on Next. Now, complete these and you can head back. Once you have set up these, now upload a highlight. So, click on this plus option. Then, select the option Story Highlight. Now, here you're gonna find all of your story archive. Select the one that you wanna upload in your highlight. Then click on Next. Give it a title, click on Add. Once that highlight is live, tap it and swipe up while viewing it. You will see insights, exactly who watched it. No more guesswork. You will catch repeat views, anonymous accounts, or that one suspicious profile you have been side-eyeing. Basically, lockers cannot resist a shiny new highlight. You're gonna definitely know who have viewed it. And that's it. Simple but effective. Switch to Pro, post a trap highlight. Check who keeps showing up. That's a wrap for this video. This is how you can know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.